shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Okay. Hi everybody. My name is. My father's name is. I live in. Very good, thank you. There. Where is the sky? There. Where is the land? Where is my bike? Where is my bike? There. Very good. Now sit down again. Okay, put your hands up. Down. Clap for 5 times. Wow. Put your hands up. Down. Clap for 3 times.
My father's name is Nasimul Haq. My mother's name is Monzuma Begum. I live in Tengagaon. My school name is Sorbun Jatiya Vidyalaya. I read in class 6.
I read in class 7. My school name is Barnagar Girls SS School. My
Mother's name is Ranjana Begum.
Okay. Classroom naam tu kar mein kon class padha?
I read class 4.
Okay, I read in class 4.
Reading class 4. I live in Tengagaon.
My father's name is Alwali. My mother's name is Arzina Begum. My name is Saidul Haq. My mother's name is Tawida Begum.
Sahil Haq. My father's name is Benjamin Haq. My mother's name is Sajina Begum. I live in Tengagaon.
Very good.
My father's name is Alwali. My mother's name is Begum. I live in I read class 8.
My father's name is Babulali. My mother's name is Azira Begum. I live in Tengagaon. My school name Nagalbari ME School. I live in class 5.
My mother's name is
My name is.
Sujina Begum.
Okay, I live in.
I live in Tengagaon.
Very good. Jor ke acha badi akolo hai.
My mother's name is Shamia.
I live in.
My name is Said Haq. My father's name is Benjamin Haq. My mother's name is Sarjina Begum. I live in Tengagaon. Armina Begum. My name is Miles Tengagaon. I live in Tengagaon.
Okay, fine.